Tired of the grocery store? Imagine stepping outside and harvesting baskets of fresh fruit, herbs, and veggies right in your own backyard. Welcome to the food forest revolution, where abundance meets beauty and every corner of your landscape is edible. Our current food system, well, let's face it, it's not exactly gentle on the planet. Industrial agriculture drains resources, erodes soils, and leaves us with bland store-bought produce that just doesn't compare. But what if your garden could do more than just grow a few tomatoes? What if it could feed your family, support pollinators, and bring your community together? That's where food forests come in. Picture layers of fruit trees, berry bushes, perennial greens, edible flowers, and mushrooms, all working together just like a natural forest. These gardens mimic nature, capturing carbon, conserving water, and attracting beneficial wildlife. From backyard experiments in suburbia to thriving urban oases and rural homesteads, food forests are popping up everywhere and changing the game for gardeners like me. Let's break down how you can start your own edible landscape. The secret? Think in layers. Canopy trees like apples and pears at the top, berry shrubs and herbs underneath, ground covers like strawberries, and even vines twisting up trellises. Choose plants that thrive in your local climate. Natives and hardy perennials are your best friends. And don't forget about companions. Some plants, like garlic and chives, keep pests away from their neighbors. Once you've got your design, it's time to get planting. Prepare your soil with lots of organic matter, mulch deeply to keep moisture in, and let the ecosystem do its magic. Food forests are surprisingly low maintenance once established, but keep an eye out for weeds and invasive species, especially in the early years. And remember, observe, tweak, and grow with your forest. Nature's always teaching us new tricks. The best part? You don't have to go it alone. Around the world, gardeners are swapping seeds, sharing cuttings, and building community food forests in parks and schools. The movement is growing, one backyard, one neighborhood at a time. So, are you ready to join the food forest revolution? Start small. Plant a guild of fruit trees and herbs, connect with local gardeners, and watch your landscape and your harvest transform. Because when you garden like a forest, abundance is just the beginning.